2025 is officially end and everyone shared their recap. I think I also share with you my brand deals which I crack in 2025. I crack lot of brand deals, but I share with you some brands which I love the most and which is big brand. First brand जिन्होंने मेरा घर भरा हुआ है बहुत बुरी तरह is this Dot and Key. There's not only 4 boxes they send me. Just wait. This and this, and this is not only these product, they send me a lot of product and some boxes I threw because उन्होंने बहुत सारी जगह घेरी हुई थी. Now my very first PR, जो मेरा सबसे पहला PR आता है, this is from Aqualogica. And now my most favorite creator brand is this Marucha Beauty. Now this is also from my favorite brand. Is this Mars. Mars give me a lot of product. And now this is from Marleo. They also send me their entire range. I get PR from Plum also. They send me their perfume range and also this is their second Hawaii wala perfume. Also this is from Foxtail. इसमें इनका face wash and serum and also from Wishcare. I also get PR from Prescue. I think मैं इसका नाम ठीक बोल रही होंगी. This brand is from Chetna. Almost सब उनको जानते हैं. I also get 2 PR from Stays. Also get PR from Body and Vice. This is their hair roll-on serum and this is their salicylic shower gel. So that's it. These are the product which I get from big brand in 2025. Also I have lot of product a part of this. शायद इसका पार्ट 2 भी आ सकता है शायद, क्योंकि I also have some more big brand जो मैंने इस वीडियो में इंक्लूड नहीं किए हैं. बट या अभी के लिए इतना ही एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.